Hello everyone, this is Pawan Kumar from Learn Digital Academy. Today we will discuss about topic called a poster design. First guys, I want to go to the file and select a new document. When I want to select a new document here 1400 by 2100 and here resolution is 300. Resolution is 300, color mode is there RGB, just create a click button. When you want to create a click button, then guys I want to open the lock here. When I want to open the lock, that time guys I want to come in my folder option. In that folder here poster images, it is there. This images is given to the client. Then guys, first what happened, I want to just drag and drop this sand image on this document. When I want to drag and drop this sand image, then guys I want to increase the size here. When I want to increase the size and I want to put here, when I want to put it here, then guys you want to see here my image, it is there. Just I want to click on the tick mark. When I want to click on the tick mark, then guys I want to just right click on the layer and I can select the rasterize. Now you want to observe guys, here my some area sky is not there. That time what happened, I want to select my rectangular marquee tool and I want to just drag like that type. When I want to drag like that type, just right click on it and I want to select a fill option. When I want to select a fill option, that time guys here I want to select the content aware. When I want to select the content aware, that time guys how much area white color it is there, that much of area my sky color it is added here. Just wait guys. Yeah, here the sky color is added. Then guys I want to go to the select and deselect here. When I want to deselect it, then guys you want to come to the here add brightness and contrast. Just guys you want to come here in layer, here you can add brightness and contrast. When you want to add brightness and contrast, here 0, brightness is 0 and here contrast is 100. Okay, when I want to use this brightness and contrast, after that just click mark here. Now guys you want to come to the same layer panel, here you want to select hue and saturation. When I want to select the hue and saturation, here saturation you want to put -50 and guys you want to just click OK button. Okay, next guys, after that what we can do guys, the another picture it is there, that picture you want to just come and drag and drop into the folder to here. This man picture is there now, I can drag and drop here. When I want to drag and drop here, that time you want to see guys, just select the tick mark, otherwise you want to select the move tool. When I want to select the move tool and this man picture I want to bring here like this. When I want to bring here like that man, then guys you want to see right click on it and you want to create rasterize the layer. When you want to create a rasterize the layer, that time guys you want to select the object selection and you can select the object here first. When I want to select the object, that time guys you want to see guys, here my object is selected. Then you want to come to the layer panel and you can do the layer mask here. When you want to do the layer mask, that time guys you want to just go to the edit and you can select the free transform tool and you can little bit smaller here. When I want to little bit smaller here, then you can do it like this. Okay, that time you want to just tick mark here. When you want to select the tick mark, that time guys you want to see select the brush tool. Here some area is I don't want that time what happen, I am selecting the brush tool and here guys in layer panel you want to select this mask layer. Now guys I want to, when I want to do this layer mask, after that I want to select the mask layer. Then guys I want to select my brush tool. In that brush tool I want to put my size is 100,000 and hardness is 0, and I want to drag here like that. Okay, when I want to drag like that type guys, then guys again I want to come to the my image folder, and here I want to just drag and drop this girl image in that one. When I want to drag and drop that girl image in this one, then guys I want to come to the layer panel. In that layer panel I want to select the my move tool. When I want to select my move tool, that image it is convert into the smart object. Now guys I want to come here and right click on it, and I want to rasterize the layer. When I want to rasterize the layer guys, that time I want to go to the Windows menu, and I am selecting the properties. When I want to select properties, that time you want to come to the quick actions and remove the background here. When I want to remove the background here, that time guys you want to see here my background is gone here guys. When my background is gone, that time guys you want to see here my image it is coming. That time guys I want to move my image here. Just I want to go to the edit menu, and I want to select the free transform. I want to just go to the alt button, and I want to just a little bit move here like that. When I want to move it, and this image also I want to little bit down here. And guys both images I want to put here. Then guys I want to come to the my layer panel. When I want to open this image, just guys I want to select the brush tool, and I want to select the mask layer, and I can remove like that time. Okay guys, I want to remove like that. Then I want to little bit adjustment here. And when I want to adjustment here, then guys you want to see here this one is there. I want to interchange the color and select the brush size, and I want to fill the color here. When I want to fill the color here, then guys you want to select again white color, black color, and you want to fill the like that type. You want to edit this image. When I want to edit this image, both image you want to merge like that type. When I want to merge like that, then guys you want to select the brush tool, and you can adjustment here like this type. When I want to adjustment like this type guys, then you want to see, and you can move exact in center here like that. When I want to move it, that time guys what happen, you want to come to the layer panel. In that layer panel what happen, you want to just go to down. In that one you want to go to the here, you want to go to the photo filter. When I want to go to the photo filter, then guys here you want to double click on the color. Here you want to type it 00CCFF color. When you want to select 00CCF color, then you want to choose the density you can add a 40. When you want to add a 40, you want to add color lookup. Now here you can click close. After that guys you want to come here, and here you want to select the color lookup. Come color lookup. When you want to select color lookup, in that color lookup you want to select the layers. Here you want to come here Kodak 5128, and this one you want to select. When you want to select like that type, just you want to close it. When I want to close here, then guys you want to select the text tool. When you want to select the text tool, when you want to move little bit down here, then guys you want to select the text tool. When you want to select the text tool guys, here you want to click on it. When you want to click on it, here you want to John JOHN space DOE. After that here you want to select the, now you want to select the font. I want to select guys Quicksand. In Quicksand you want to select the little bit regular. When I want to select the regular and I want to little bit reduce the size here. When I want to select the size and I want to just guys, I want to put here John Doe, and same text I want to just press Alt and drag here. When I want to drag here guys, John Smith here, I want to type it the text here. Just guys, I want to select my text here. I want to JANESMITH. This is like a actor's name. I want to put here John Doe and John Smith here. After that, guys, you want to come down. Okay, when you want to come down in the tracer. Okay, that time, guys, I want to select my text tool and I want to type it here, guys, in THEATURES. I want to put taser here and I want to select font size around 24. I want to increase. After that, guys, you want to just put in center. When I want to put in center, just select the Alt button and I want to drag it. The release date is there, the teaser release date is there, January 20. Okay, 20. Just I want to select this text and here you want to come to the font. I want to select the bold. Like that type, I want to use this one. After that, here you want to see guys, here the characters means the boy name and the girl name I want to put it, and when the release date I want to put here. After that, here I want to move the title name, movie title name. That movie title name, what is that is I want to select my text tool and I want to click it, and I want to click it here. I want to type the movie title is there, adventure venture the sand. Okay, adventure the sand, this is the movie name, and I want to increase my font size here, and guys I want to put in center. Okay, when I want to put in center, the sand is very highlighted, the adventure I want to select, and here I want to select the regular. Like that type I want to create. Then guys, this type we create a one movie poster. Hope the session was informative. We'll catch you up next session.